Welcome to section 2, Foundation of AI Projects. Hope you are enjoying your learning journey. Here we will study the role of data in AI projects, then untapped value of data, then role of big data in AI projects, and finally how AI systems learn. Limitations of artificial intelligence. AI sounds powerful, but how does it really stack up against human intelligence? In this lecture, we are going to compare these two ways of thinking. First, we will look at the three P's of human intelligence, followed by understanding the AI's core limitations. Three P's of human intelligence. What makes human intelligence special? Broadly, you can break it down to the three P's, that is perception, prediction, and planning. First, perception. Humans are amazing at sensing, understanding, and processing lots of different inputs like sights, sounds, emotions, all at once. The second is prediction. We understand possibilities and can naturally think ahead, weigh risks, often with very little data. And third, the ability to plan. We can adapt to new environments, make flexible plans, adjust as we go, and most importantly, we are capable of self learning. These three P's, perception, prediction, and planning, give human intelligence a level of flexibility and depth that AI still can't fully match. Let's do side by side comparison of human intelligence and AI. To highlight some key differences, the first one is a learning style. Humans learn through experience and emotions. AI learns purely from data and pattern recognition. When it comes to creativity, humans are naturally creative. AI creativity is limited, usually rule based or driven by patterns in the data. The third is generalization. Humans can generalize really well, even with little data. AI struggles to generalize beyond what it was trained on. The next one is the ethics. Humans use context and judgment when making ethical decisions. AI can only follow programmed logic. Limitations of AI. Let us understand the hard truth. AI, no matter how advanced, has zero understanding of context and meaning. It learns from data and inherits all the biases in that data. It has inability to adapt without retraining. It can't adapt to unexpected scenarios without retraining. AI does not know when it is wrong, which makes it risky in critical areas. For example, healthcare and finance. Let us look at some real life scenarios. A poet writing a poem versus ChatGPT generating one. AI can mimic structure, rhythm, and style, but true creativity, emotion, and personal meaning will still come from a human poet. Then, a driver making an intuitive decision, like reacting to an unexpected situation on the road. AI systems follow pre programmed paths and rules. They can't match human intuition and adaptability. So, while AI is powerful, there is still a long way to go before AI reaches true human like intelligence. Therefore, what AI cannot do yet? So far, AI can't feel joy, understand love, or weigh moral dilemmas. It lacks what we call is a consciousness, the very thing that makes us human. In summary, AI is fast, efficient, and task specific, but human intelligence remains broader, deeper, and far more complex. Many fall into overhyping AI risks and failures. Misidentification, like facial recognition errors and biased predictions, show us the danger. These are not the system bugs, but they are risks from giving AI too much control. Then, harmful content generation may violate ethics. It can also reinforce bias by learning incorrect data. Hence, we must ask, are we building the tools to support humans or to replace them blindly? So, why augmented AI matter? Augmented AI prevents the trap of over automation. It helps build trust because decisions stay human centered. It encourages human machine collaboration, especially in areas like healthcare or education, where empathy and judgment are the key. Remember, machines support, but people decide. Even with all its limitations, how does AI matter? AI still matters a lot. It can process massive amount of data faster than any human capacity. It can find patterns, make predictions, and support decision making at a scale. It helps avoid repetitive tasks. However, AI is a tool, not a replacement for judgment. When we treat it as partner rather than a boss, we get the best results. Used wisely, AI boosts our productivity, makes processes more consistent, and enables us to scale things that would otherwise be too complex or time consuming. That's why it's so important to keep humans in the loop, guiding AI, correcting its course, and making the final decisions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to pmsoft.com or contact us for any difficulties.